This is ZoneOut Sessions, Season 4, brought to you by Freeme TV.
Yo, it's BadBoyBlaq. Shout out to Freeme TV. It's my ZoneOut Session. Let's go. Hey, bad boy from the start in the building. I'm rated R and the R is for a real one. I put the N explicit when I spit it. Put the in the then let's get it. It's black rapping, I'm back yapping, a damn savage. I'm next level, I'm like this and you back average. You only close to me if you was a nice fabric. Corny as fuck, but I'ma let you guys have it. The real bag, if you're checking the news flash. Big bag, whack rappers, they thinking they kill black. Heard a new track, shit swag. But hold on, let me check the VAR. Still whack. They call me upcoming cause I'm really coming up. You upcoming but it's just a name they calling y'all. These fucking haters ain't never doing no numbers. They track whack, it's why they stick in the covers. Bars and I'm wavy, I'm kind of a cheat code. I'm disrespectful, I know what I'm aimed for. Talk shit, fuck around, I'ma find you like Nemo. Ironic, have my doors come at you like bingo. I'm never kind but I'm one of a kind. Thinking I ain't top 10 right now, you out of your mind. Would've said top 2 but out of respect, I'ma let your favorite rapper have a second to shine. My jam play been tearing the airwaves, causing ruckus. Conversate with the bosses, get money from the coffers. Move crazy, a monster, drink drop and I pop up. I'm in a hurry, but really not then it rushes. I'm too ill, I thought I told you I'm built for this. I stay finessing, I never needed a deal for this. And now I got one, power moves. And everybody really saying I'm the one cause of how I moves. Oh my, they know that I'm on fire. Got my eyes set up on being the greatest of all time. Niggas ain't for no reason cause the boy fly. But last, they go there alright. BadBoyBlaq, Freeme TV, ZoneOut. One take, motherfucker. Yeah.
Yo, let us know what you think, dope or not, and don't forget to subscribe.
I wear my confidence around my neck like medallions. Look at the ambience, so many wows you think an ambulance. Came in with a shitload of mana cars. Look at the hand of God, I move with the Pentecost. Like when you mix the baking soda with